Hi all, this is Vignesh Kumar. This is lecture series, and the series is in this series we have video number 2. And video number 2, the previous video series seen about the term called the term called ideate. Till ideate, the ideate consists of redundant components, a fault tolerant design, and continuous testing and monitoring system and formal verification system. So in this video we are going to continue from the first ideate from. Next we are going to start about a prototype. A prototype, we have a primary server, a backup server, and hard bake mechanism, and automatic failover. So level 1 components of controller, accumulators, plant and sensors. These compromises a fault accommodation system. So level 1 which is able to control of the system, and it has a fault accommodation. The fault accommodation based upon the controller, accumulator, plant and sensor. So level 2 is a fault diagnosis and accommodation system. This fault diagnosis and accommodation system it is being worked on based of level 1 controller. Level 1 controller which is a common variable UK. That is a common variable we are calling UK, and there's a controlled variable called Y of K. So the fault diagnosis system and accommodation compromises of the input level and the output from the controller. So this consisting of level 2. The level 2 consists of fault diagnosis and accommodation system. So in level 3 we have a super system. The super system is consisting of a accommodation and fault. So the supervisor enables to have a accommodation, and it gives the fault diagnosis from level 2 to level 3. It gives a fault. So based on supervisor, the supervisor accommodation and give to the system. So the primary servers, and as a backup server, the backup server hard bake mechanism and automatic failover will be there. So there are 3 levels in system. These 3 levels. First level is control level. Level 2 consists of a fault diagnosis and accommodation level. Level 3 is a number of supervision level. So these consisting of controller, accumulator, plant and sensor, and this a fault corner system will be there. Next we will see what is meant by dependable system. A dependable system is a system where delivers the justified, that is it is said to be a trusted system. So it is consisting of correctness, consistency, predictability and trustworthiness. So dependable system is a system where that delivers services that can be justified by a trusted system. So it key characteristics consisting of correctness, consistency, predictability and trustworthiness. So that is consistency, predictability and trustworthiness. So this dependable system, this is a system where it delivers service that can be justified trusted. So next we have core attributes of dependability. The core attributes of dependability consisting of 4 things. First is reliability, availability, safety and security. So this is the 4 pillars of dependable system. Reliability is says about continuous of correct services. Availability says about ready when required. Safety says of no catastrophic consequences. Security says of protected from death. So reliability says how does the continuous correctness of system can be made. Availability says it is ready when required. Availability is ready when required. Safety says there is no catastrophic consequences will be there, and security says there is a protection from the threats. This is what the core attributes of the dependability will be there. Next we seen about a term called reliability. This reliability says we have mean time to failure, failure rate versus error as failure on online exam. So we have online exam portal during submission. This is what reliability. Reliability says the mean time to failure concept, failure rate concept, and failure versus error and rate, and the fault time to fault versus error versus failure. So in this case we are going to see about our online exam portal crashing during final submission. So in this image we have a decreasing failure rate will be there, consistent failure rate will be there, and increasing failure rate will be there. So we have a term called failure rate. The failure rate consisting of the decreasing failure rate, we have 3 parameters. First one is earlier infant mortality failure. Next you have constant random failure. Third one is your observed failure rate. So the observed failure rate is consisting of the as a highest failure rate which terms from the time to time. That is, it starts from the decreasing failure rate to constant failure and increasing failure rate. So it is observed rate. Next, we have early infant mortality failure rate but initially it was been increased and it been reduced till when time is been increased. Next is your wear out failures, where we compare to time and failure. It is been where time increases, the failure rate also increases, whereas constant random failures is a constant failure rate in the system. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.